video is going to look at the exercise 32 example that starts on page 364 with the raw data. So there's a participant number, and they're divided up into for each. These are paired samples now. So we have the baseline probing depth, and then we have the post-treatment. Remember, the names can't have any spaces in them, so that's what we have here in terms of the names. If you want to extend this out a little bit, notice where I put my mouse between name and type, turns into a double-headed arrow, and I can make it a little bigger. So one was participant number, one was baseline depth, post-treatment depth, and the only thing that I changed on this screen is I made participant numbers ordinal, because that's all they are. They're just an ordered set of characters. There's no numerical meaning to them. And baseline depth and scale, they're both scales because they're ratio level data, and they're used for calculations. So once you have those in, and you may want to pause this and get that finished before you do anything else, then click over to data and enter your data. So here's the participants' numbers, here's the baseline depth, and here's the post-treatment depth. Now, if you're doing this by hand, you'll notice on the table that they find the difference in scores. The computer, the SPSS, is going to do that for you, so you don't need to do that. So at this point, your screen should look like page 366 and what is there, at least the screenshot there. So now the next thing is we want to analyze this. And so we're going to go to Analyze button. And we're going to go again to compare means. And this time we're looking at a paired, let me get here. Analyze, compare means, I gotta get over here quickly. Paired samples t-test. And so you're going to click on that. Okay. And then once you do that, you're going to move the variables over that belong. And so the first variable you're going to move over, they're going to move over the baseline, must contain baseline, and then this one. Okay, so the baseline and the post. And so you're going to have that, the baseline first and then the post. And that's all you need for that. And then you're ready to do the next, so you just need to click OK. And up will come all of your information that you need now for this. Paired sample test, you will get all of this. You will get the paired sample statistics that are shown on the page. Check to make sure that you're getting the same screens that are on page 367 and 368. Read through that section, understand that, and then you're ready to do the actual data for the question, which is found on page 373. But the problem is similar. Okay? Thank you.